Okay guys, so a while back we made a video reviewing KAIWEETS KBA01 borescope. They sent us out this one to go ahead and show you guys how it works. This is their new upgraded KBA02 model. So we're gonna dive in here and show you how this one works. Now just like before on the previous one, I'll show you basically what it all comes with. So right away out of the box, you get your user manual, couple little cloths here to clean the tip of the camera with. That's always nice. And then just like before, they gave us an assortment of these little tips that you can connect, which I'll show you later on here. But there's a tip there to hook onto something. There's a magnet tip, there's a mirror tip. Really neat tip options there for this borescope. So little different than the one that we had before. If you remember, the previous option had the rotating top portion here. This one's a little smaller, a little sleek in general. Actually, I kind of like this option more. So we'll go ahead and get in here and show you guys how this one works. All right, so I went ahead and laid out the user manual here. Just kind of get familiar with all the buttons and such. The user interface is actually pretty similar to the KBA01 model, so we'll see the similarities there if you remember. So option K is our power. The previous one, you had to hold it for a few seconds. I'm guessing it's the same. Yep, there she goes. So right away, you're on your camera display. We can check out our options here. So settings, it looks like there. We'll hit that, you can navigate through. So language options, I'm gonna stick with English, date and time. That's nice, so you can have the little timestamp down on the bottom of your photos or your videos that you can take with the borescope. Let's see here. Resolution. So resolution, actually, it already comes on the highest setting. Recording, sound. All right, so pretty much all the same as the original one here. So we'll go ahead and try testing it out. We'll see what I got out there. Maybe I can pull a valve cover off of something. We'll stick the camera down in there and show you how it works. Okay guys, so I got this set up here on a little Honda 4-cylinder here. So if you get closer on this, you can use this little camera, pretty much go down wherever you'd like. It really is, this is inside of the valve cover right now, going through the oil cap. So if you zoom out a little bit here, get this, so this wheel here is another really cool option. It was on the previous model as well, but so you can just twist it up and down and you can move your camera. Oh look, I just got some oil on the tip there. But you can use that and it wiggles the tip. So pretty much wherever you'd like to see but you can't see, you can get this down in there. Where we're at here in the Southwest, there's a lot of critters that get down and stuff and bite up wires, start nesting underneath intakes and air boxes, and you can't really see that. So this will be really nice to get down in this intake here. See if there's any in there. I hope not. This is actually my personal vehicle, so I'd really not like to see that. But you get the gist of it here. So from this point, if I wanted to, I could go ahead and take a video and then record it all, swap it over to my PC and post it. I mean, that thing is really that simple to use. So if we want, we'll go down here. Recording on, and then we'll go back. So the little camera button here, it's the OK and the camera. If you press it once, it'll start recording. Then you can go ahead and do whatever you got to do, show whatever you got to show. And you see up here, you got your timestamp and you got the temperature, which is nice. You can actually switch that over in the settings to Fahrenheit if you need. So then I end it, the video's done. It's now going to be saved. And then I can do it again if I want, make another one. I didn't mean to do that. But if you want to do just a photo, you just simply hold it and it snaps a photo. All right, guys, so a couple last things here before I wrap it up here. I wanted to show you the attachments it comes with. So one of them is a magnet. You can fish down in there and get anything magnetic. You got a mirror here. Another one's a hook. You got to crimp on anything. So a couple other features here I wanted to point out before I wrap it up as well. The flashlights. So this one is going to be controlling the light on the end of the camera. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 options there. And then I don't believe the KBA01 had this option. I'll have to check on ours. But if you hold this button here, the back has another flashlight on it as well that lights up. So pretty cool here, guys. So I'm going to have all the links down in the bottom here if you want to check this out or pick one up. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this helps you. Please click like, please click subscribe, and click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.